Now, the winter session of Parliament is set to feature 19 sittings until 20th December and is meant to be packed with legislative and contentious discussions. But questions over the Parliament productivity will continue to come to the fore, especially when adjournments take place. The government has prioritised several bills for discussion, including the Waqf Amendment Bill and Musalman Waqf Repeal Bill, pending review by a joint parliamentary committee. In fact, the India Bloc MPs have submitted a letter to the Speaker demanding an extension of the time period for JPC on Waqf Bill.
ये सारे ऑपोजिशन पार्टीज तय किए थे कि आज इस विषय पे तो चर्चा होनी ही चाहिए और सरकार करने के लिए तैयार नहीं थी, इसलिए अभी अध्ययन हो गया है। मेरे ख्याल में अभी बिजनेस एडवाइजरी कमेटी में बात चलनी चाहिए इसके बारे में। मैं तो उसका अंग नहीं हूं, तो देखते हैं क्या होता है। लेकिन बात यह है कि पार्लियामेंट चलाने के लिए सबको इकट्ठे ले जाना चाहिए, नहीं तो पार्लियामेंट चलना बड़ी ज़रूरी है हम सबको देश के हित में, लेकिन सारे महत्वपूर्ण मुद्दे पर चर्चा होनी ही चाहिए।
देश की प्रतिष्ठा, देश का सम्मान, देश की आर्थिक सुरक्षा, देश की छवि सब दांव पे लगा दी है अडानी समूह ने। जिस तरह यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका में वहाँ की एक अदालत ने, ये किसी और का नहीं है आरोप, संज्ञान लिया है। जैसा मैंने कहा, देश की आर्थिक सुरक्षा, देश की प्रतिष्ठा से जुड़ा हुआ प्रश्न, पर आज की सर्वोच्च प्राथमिकता यही है। इसके साथ चुनाव में धांधली, प्रदूषण, जिस तरीके से महंगाई, बेरोजगारी है, किसानों की समस्या है, छात्रों की समस्या है, ये सब हम सिलसिलेवार विंटर सेशन में।
You know, I'm so embarrassed that the nation's Prime Minister stoops to such levels to talk such nonsense. I'm sorry to say it. He neither keeps the respect of Parliament, nor of women, and nor of the nation or Parliament. So it doesn't matter what he says. People are used to these dramas, and we are not here because of his kindness or any charity. We are here because the public have asked us to be here. That has dominated the nation's thinking. Other countries have cancelled deals with Mr. Adani. Now, whatever the truth, it has to come out. So what is there to shield one man? If he's done something wrong, the law applies to him.
See, any amendment to the law should be based on proper, scientific approach. And if there's any lacuna in the law, that should be rectified in the amendments, no doubt about that. No law is perfect. So it should not be used as a weapon to target the minorities. That is the only thing. Of course, I think there are some issues which are concerning the Waqf. And that needs to be sorted out, debated, discussed in a proper environment, and not try to create a situation of confusion and hate, and not to target any community.
Process are not at all being followed by the chairman. He is hurrying up, bulldozing the proceedings. There are so many procedures, including a dissent note, including the voting, each and every class of the proposed bill. All these things have to be happened. In spite of that, Chairman Sumoto, he is calling that on 29th or 30th, the report has to be, our JPC report has to be submitted to the Parliament. That is unknown to the JPC. We have met the JPC right from Bofors, 2G. Now this JPC wanted to bypass all the proceedings contemplated in the law book. That is why we submitted a memorandum to the Speaker. Speaker fairly accepted it.